Hi, I'm Master Kelvin Yap and welcome to my Feng Shui channel. Today's topics I'm going to cover 5 elements, HeTu and LuoShu, the basic fundamental of these 3 things. Hi, I'm Master Kelvin Yap and I'm an internationally renowned Feng Shui master. Reason being is that I have many students around the world. I have books all around the world that are available on Amazon as well. You can go to Amazon and check it out. I also learn from various Feng Shui masters and incorporate various methods in the practice. As of 2024, I have published 20 books, and all the books are available on Amazon as well as on my website. In 2016, I actually went to Russia to teach Qimeng Tunjia to Russian Feng Shui masters. So as you see from below, all those are my books at the bottom here. As you can see from here, I actually run the Road to Feng Shui Master program for those people who want to be a Feng Shui Master. As you can see, there's the blue color one is actually the Feng Shui track, while the yellow color is actually the Qimeng Tunjia track. So for the blue color one is for you to become a Feng Shui practitioner. So we have the Xianku Dagao program or the Sanhe program, as well as the Feng Shui practitioner program through mentorship, mentorship by me. As well as the Qimeng Tunjia program, you have the Sanhe program as well as the Qimeng Tunjia practitioner program as well. So there's also mentorship provided in the Qimeng Tunjia program for you to become the Feng Shui master. As you can see from here, there's also a face-to-face classroom or distance learning available. So you can actually sign up for the face-to-face class when it's available, or you can immediately sign up for the distance learning. There will be a lifetime support by Master Kelvin Yap, by myself, so I will support you throughout my lifetime. There are also unlimited repeats and access to distance learning. So let's say you take the face-to-face classroom, you can actually repeat it in your distance learning as well, or you can take the distance learning and then continue to repeat in the distance learning. So I will guide you along the way so that you can become a successful Feng Shui master. What is 5 element? 5 element consists of wood, fire, earth, metal, and water. So in 5 elements, they are the producing cycle. So you have wood produce fire, fire produce earth, earth produce metal, metal produce water, water produce wood. So one way to remember this is that you take wood, you burn it, that's why you got fire. Okay, you feed it to the fire. After burning the wood, the fire become earth, where all the ashes is, that's earth. Then when you dig the earth, you got metal, okay, the mineral and come out from the earth is metal. And then when water condensation on metal, you got water, right? That's where metal produce water. And then you use the water to water plant and water wood. That's where the producing cycle is. So this is the 5 element producing cycle, right? Moving on, this is the 5 element exhaustive cycle. So exhaustive cycle is, for example, because wood produce fire, hence fire exhausts wood. For example, when a mother gives birth to a kid, children, the mother is exhaustive, right? Because it produces a son or produces a kid. The kid actually exhausts the mother. So this is the same concept here. So fire exhausts wood, earth exhausts fire, metal exhausts earth, water exhausts metal, and wood exhausts water. Okay, so you need to understand, for 5 elements, you need to understand the producing cycle, exhaustion cycle as well. And the next one will be the clashing cycle. Next is the 5 element clashing cycle, right? So wood clash earth. So the way to remember this is that you for example, a tree, the root growing into earth, there's wood clashing earth, earth clashing water. So you can see that, for example, a river, moving water river, is being controlled by the river bank, which is the earth itself. So earth control clash water, water clash fire. So you use water to put out fire. Fire clash metal, you use fire to melt metal, so fire clash metal. Metal clash wood, you use metal to chop wood, so that's how you remember this. So remember the clashing cycle: wood clash earth, earth clash water, water clash fire, fire clash metal, metal clash wood. Okay? So all these three cycles are important. Need to know and understand, so you understand the 5 elements. So 5 elements is the basic fundamental of metaphysics and feng shui. What is HeTu? HeTu, also known as river map. He means river, tu means map, so it's river map. Consists of a set of numbers arranged in a specific sequence. So it was said that the pattern came from a mystical creature that looked like a combination of dragon and horse. So the creature looked like dragon or a horse as well. So this creature was said to emerge from a river, and hence it was called a river map. So what are the patterns behind this mystical creature? The pattern is actually on this diagram here on the top left hand corner. You can see that there are a lot of dots with white color and black color, right? So the top, you can see there is the white color, 7 dots of white color and 2 dots of black color, right? Likewise, the same for on the left hand side, you got 3 white dots and 8 black dots, right? And the right hand side, you got 4 black dots and 9 white dots, and bottom you got 1 white dot and 6 black dots, and middle you got 5 white dots and 10 black dots itself. So this arrangement, the top is for the south, represent the south direction. It also represent fire. So 2 and 7 represent south and fire. So 3, 8 represent east and wood. 4, 9 represent west and metal. Bottom represent 1, 6, which is north and water. And middle is actually 5, 10, middle, and earth represent earth element. So the fire, wood, metal, water, earth is the 5 element itself, right? And then all the numbers, right? All the numbers there. So what is all these numbers represent? You look at it that all odd numbers is yang. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 denote the white dot are yang numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is yang number. Or even number is a yin number. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 denoted by the black circle. So it's a yin number. So this is basically a yin yang mapping between the odd and even. For example, 2 and 7. So 2 is actually a yin number. 7 is a yang number. So you got 2 and 7. Yin yang mapping, you got 2 and 7. 2 and 7 together represent south as well as fire. So you can see 2 and 7 numbers is actually a fire element. Okay, so what they use this number for is, for example, you want a fire element, you want to have a fire element in certain sequence. So you have 2 and 7. So your license plate, for example, got 2 and 7. 2 and 7 combination is actually fire. We give you a fire element. Right, so they use this as a placement or use it as a feng shui remedy as well. So that's what they use it for. If you look further, the differences within the set is always 5. For example, 1 and 6, right? 6 minus 1 is always 5. 2 and 7, 7 minus 2 is always 5. 3 and 8, the differences is 5. 4 and 9, the differences is 5. 5 and 10, the differences is 5. So this is the magic of the HeTu number. So you can actually further derive the HeTu number itself. So all odd number is yang. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is yang. All even number is yin. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is yin. So you split the HeTu into the diagram on the left hand side. You can see that into heaven and earth. So we have 1, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is heaven number or yang number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 is yin number. It is different from the top where you have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there are two levels of splitting. One level is 1, 3, 5, or the odd number splitting. The other one is the first 5 and the next 5. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as yang, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you combine these two, you see that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as yang versus 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 yang. So you got 1, 3, 5 is a yang number within the yang. Okay, so you can say that 1, 3, 5 is a pure yang number within the yang. 2 and 4 is a yin number within the yang. Right? Likewise, the same. You got 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 as yin versus 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 as yin. Right? So 6, 8 and 0 is yin number within the yin, and 7 and 9 is a yang number within the yin. Right? So this is the further derivation of the HeTu number. To remember the HeTu number, so basically you have 1 at the bottom, right? Then you move up. Opposite 1, you got 2. Okay, you can use your left hand. Normally, they use all the formulas on the left hand because right hand is supposed to hold the lob hand, right? That's why the left hand is also to know all the formulas. So 1 is the bottom, 2 is the top. Then move to the left side, you got 3 and 4, and then 5. So it's like in the 4 pattern, number 4 pattern, right? Then from there you got 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then altogether you got 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9, and 5, 10. So that's a combination. Then you know the top is south, bottom is water, right? Left side is wood, right side is metal, the middle is earth. That's how the element comes about, right? This is how you remember that. LuoShu, or magic square. Okay, this is another set of numbers in the Chinese metaphysics. The differences here is that the direction is slightly different because the HeTu is only north, south, east, and west. Here you got the north, south, east, west, as well as the other direction. For example, southwest, northwest, southeast, northeast direction itself. Okay, so if you look at the table on the right hand side, you have all the numbers as well as the element on it. This is where the Bakwa come about as well. So let's later we move on to that. You have number 1, which is at the bottom, which is water. Number 2, at the southwest is earth. Number 3, east is wood. Number 4, southeast is wood. Number 5 is center earth. Number 6 is metal at the northwest. Number 7 is west. And number 8 is at northeast, which is earth. And number 9 is fire at the south, right? So when they talk about period 9, actually south is actually fire element, right? So you could know about. So this LuoShu number is all odd number is yang. So you can see from the diagram on the left hand side, or the white color dots are yang, the black color dots are yin. So you get all the odd number are yang. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 denoted by the white circle are yang, and all the even number is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 denoted by a black circle. So you will look at this number itself and the arrangement of the number. All direction numbers are add up to be 15. So for example, 951 from the south, middle, and north, you got 951, you got up together, you got 15. 456, which is southeast, middle, and northwest, you got 456, which add up to 15 as well. And you got 852, which is the northeast, middle, and southwest, you got 8, 5, and 2, you add up together, you got 15. So this is the magic of the LuoShu number. How to remember the LuoShu number sequence using your fingers? So you'll see that number 3 start from using your left hand. Number 3 start from the middle left, right? So then number 4 is up. Then you move to the middle, it is 5. Then you move down to the bottom right, you got 6. Then you move to the middle, up 1 level, which is 7. Followed by 8 across, right? A bottom across left, and then straight away to 9, which is the top middle, and then go back to 1, which is the opposite of 9, right? Bottom middle, and then you got 2, you go back to 3. Is how you remember the sequence. So you see the sequence. This is where they use it for flying star as well. The flying star sequence. It can be forward, it can be backward. It's all based on LuoShu sequence. We have come to the end of the topic of 5 element, HeTu, and LuoShu. This is just the fundamental. So a lot of Chinese metaphysics or Feng Shui or Bazhi, or they use HeTu, LuoShu as well. So it's important to know, and 5 element as well. So it's important to understand and know this. Other topics I cover, like heaven, earth, human, what is yang, yin yang, what is qi, and so on and so forth. So continue to subscribe to my topic. You will cover more on all this. Thank you for watching. Please continue to subscribe to watch my other topic video as well. So my website is here, www.fengshui-hacks.com. I have a blog as well. There's many articles that you can actually go and read at your free time. I have Instagram where you can subscribe to. I have Facebook page where you can go and like, so that when there's posting coming up, you can actually watch it. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. where all the video will be posted there, as well as the TikTok channel where you can, all the video will be there as well. You're interested in the distance learning, please go to this website here, www.fengshui-hacks.com/wp/courses, where you can have all the courses there. You can actually go and start taking courses from there. You can just sign up the courses and then you'll be given access to that. Thank you. Hope to see you in the other topic.